Hello friends, welcome. I am super excited for this video. Today we're going to be talking about phone grips as well as these really cute earrings. These are from Colorful Playground. They just launched their website. Initially, I purchased things from their website back when they had an Etsy shop, and I did a video for that last year. So I'm super excited that they've expanded. There's a lot of customizable options. I'm going to break it all down and we're going to put one of these on my phone case. There was a different phone case that I wanted for this, but these are interchangeable. And as of right now, I'm going to put it on this velvet caviar case that I have here, but later on we'll see what kind of combinations I come up with, and I'll probably post them on my Instagram. So like I said, there are customizable options like pictures of your pets, pictures of your kids. My favorite has been like Animal Crossing characters, where you choose your character, like what you use for the game, and then you have a customized pop socket or phone grip, I guess I should call it. And I think that's really cute. I really love Animal Crossing, and those options always like speak to me. So I'll have a link to her Instagram and her new website down below. This was given to me for free, but I am not being financially compensated to say positive things. These are my honest opinions. I did that full video back in March and I did pay for that with my own money. So if you want to see that as well, I'll have that in the cards as well as down below, because I really love my Princess Peach in that one. It was gorgeous. It was a huge hit. Everyone absolutely loved it. When it comes to these phone grips, they are a little bit bulkier obviously than your traditional pop socket. I really love it because I'm a clumsy person, and this size kind of allows me to have a better grip of my phone, especially if I have it a little bit lower. Normally with pop sockets, I used to put them right in the center of my phone case, but I realized that the way I personally hold my phone, that was very uncomfortable. Now I position these just a little bit lower, and you're going to see that when I do the demo. These also each come with a little cotton alcohol pad, which I think is really nice because it kind of gives you the best chances of success in making sure that the section that you're working on is clean and ready to place something, you know, with adhesive on it. So I chose the green Yoshi because I feel like that's just classic. Yoshi is one of my favorite Mario characters, and I really love him. He's super shiny, but not the type of shiny that isn't gonna photograph well. That's always hard for me to explain, but these are just really nice phone grips. I like the quality of them. I like the quality of the actual image, like it's very crisp. The second one that I chose was a Sailor Moon one. I love this one, and I'm gonna hold off from using it just because I want like a prettier phone case for it. So I'm not gonna use this yet, but Sailor Moon was one of my favorite characters. I loved watching that show when I was a little kid. It would always play on Cartoon Network, and I had to get it. She's beautiful and a little bit smaller than Yoshi, like a more rounded appearance. So I think there is something for everyone depending on how you like your phone grips. Like I said, for me, this is kind of a statement piece, so I don't mind it being bulky, and my phone case already, like my phone is already quite a large size. I used to say that I was never going to go for the larger iPhone sizes because I generally prefer something smaller since I have small hands. But these past couple years I have upgraded to the largest of versions just because I do a lot of my YouTube work on my phone and I want to have enough space to really do things. Especially with acrylic nails, I have to take these off because they're so gross, but they're just so hard for me to like do anything on my phone, and it would probably be worse if I had a smaller screen. So overall, I do like these. I think they're a lot of fun, and now I'm going to actually place it on my phone case. This is the geometric one from Velvet Caviar, and I want to say I also put the Princess Peach one in this originally. I have moved her to a different phone case, and I am ready to apply the Yoshi one. So I'm going to use the provided pad just to make sure that there's no residue from the previous one and no residue like dirt, anything like that. My phone cases can get a little bit gross sometimes just because I toss it in my bag or I toss it in my pocket. And last year when I was filming that video initially, I was working at the zoo, so there was a lot of hay, there's a lot of straw, and sometimes that gets in my phone cases. So after I wipe the section, I apply it, I hold it firmly, and then I am done. Because these are so large and bulky, they actually are really good for using as a stand. Like I generally do that when I am watching a video and I want to be hands-free. I'll just prop it, and usually it stays really nicely, especially with like the Princess Peach one and this Yoshi one. So I'm happy about that, and I think it's fun. I think it's just such a cute accessory, and it makes me happy to reach for my phone. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know down below. I find these to be really fun, and I love how customizable they are. I like that they're interchangeable, and they're also, more importantly, I probably should have mentioned this sooner, they're very reasonably priced compared to a lot of custom phone grips that I found, especially on Etsy. So I'll have a price range around here for the ones that I have seen listed on the website. We talked about the phone grips. I want to mention the earrings. So I tried filming this video last week and we had a snowstorm. So I'm just going to show you clips of it because I was wearing the snake earrings. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. The detailing, the paint job, they're really shiny, but like I said, they photograph well, which for me is really important because of what I do is on social media with my Instagram, with YouTube and all that stuff. So these snake earrings are really beautiful. I love the aesthetic. They're very like mystical and beautiful, and I like the length, and I like that they're not heavy. I don't like when earrings kind of tug on my earlobe. That's really weird sensation and I really hate it. The only thing is it's dark, so it does kind of blend a little bit in with my hair, especially depending on what shirt I'm wearing. Shouldn't be an issue for long because I do anticipate going a little bit lighter on my hair in the near future. But like I said, the earrings are beautiful quality, and this is my first time trying out earrings from her shop, and I think they are great, and it makes me excited to maybe buy myself a pair. I think I saw these earlier and they're so cute, and it just reminds me of video games, so I might get these in the future. Yeah, overall I love the shop. I think it's really good. I will post it down below like I said, and I think that's pretty much it. Let me know what your favorite phone grip is, and I will see you very soon with another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, stay safe out there. Bye.